Hello. Well, this is the roving reporter, and I'm here to show you a great recording tool online that can be used with all your students. The advantage that I want to present with this tool is that it is something that can be done out of the instant messaging apps, because we normally would ask students to record using one of these instant messaging apps so that you can send assignments, maybe short messages, speaking tasks, and so on. So I'm going to show you a site that we can use to get students to record, and it can be sent by email. It can be shared on many other platforms and also downloaded. You can have the link. So there are some advantages to using this platform, and the name of the platform is Vocaroo. Right. So here we are. This is a site, as I mentioned, called Vocaroo. Vocaroo.com is where you go to get this recording service up for your students. Firstly, it can be done either recording straight on your desktop, right? Or you can record on your phone and then upload these recordings to the platform. If you click on upload, you can see that it allows uploading of audio file. Most of them would be either MP3, AVI and stuff, so it can be there. And you can also record straight from the desktop. By clicking here on record, it will ask for permission to your sites and to the audio, video, and the microphone. Once you've given permission, you click on this start button. So we have already started. It says to allow, and here we go. So this is what would be done, and you can instruct students to do just that. Start recording, and they need to allow Vocaroo to use their mics, and this is done on the desktop. They record at any time, and they can pause it. It allows you to take a look at what you just did to see if everything is okay, if it's satisfactory, so you can listen to yourself. If not, you can re-record it automatically, restarts everything that's shown here. So I'm actually recording my voice and recording this video at the same time. That is a beauty. The most important thing about Vocaroo is once you've done this and you are okay, it goes to this part, save and share. I save it. It is now available as a QR code, which I can go up and students can scan, or I can do this as an assignment. Students can quickly scan this code to listen to whatever I'm assigning them or listening to an activity. It can be shared on your social media. It can be shared on emails. So it can also be sent to someone's email. You can embed it into a website, to a platform, blog that you want to share with as well. And most importantly, you can save the link, and this link can be shared inside the, in this case, instant messaging tools, or share directly like this. Another option is to download this recording, so it's saved as an MP3. That is, I believe, one of the beauties of it, because it can be done anywhere. It's not dependent on the phone necessarily, and students can do this at any time, most importantly. So that, my friends, is what I wanted to share with you today as an option for you to get your students to do very quick recordings and enable them to practice not just speaking, but to also work on reflection, to work on self-assessment, and also to give feedback on everything that's going on in the classroom. I'm the Roving Reporter. Please don't forget to press that bell to get reminders, and you can subscribe to the channel to listen to more stuff like this, very quick, very easy tips. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much, and bye for now.